Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a microphone feature in Roblox Mobile using a national identification. First, ensure your Roblox app is updated to its latest version from your device's app store. This feature requires you to be at least 13 years old to comply with safety regulations. Once updated, open the app and prepare to navigate to your settings. To proceed, you must be a minimum of 13 years of age, confirmed by your national identification document. Common accepted forms include a government-issued driver's license or an official passport. Make sure your chosen identification is current and not expired before beginning the verification process. Having it ready saves you time during the next steps. Now open your Roblox application and tap the three-dot icon located at the bottom right of your screen. This will bring up a menu where you should select Settings. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy. Here, you will see an option labeled Verify My Age. Tapping this will initiate the verification flow. Next, the system will prompt you to scan your national identification document. Position your document on a flat surface in good lighting to ensure a clear capture. After the document scan, you will likely be asked to perform a quick facial scan for an additional layer of authentication. The entire verification process usually completes in under 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.